Moscow has launched a deadly missile strike, marking a fresh escalation in Russia-Ukraine war. Ukraine claims at least 21 are dead and 20 others are injured in a Russian ballistic missile attack in the Sumy region. In a post on X, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has urged the United States and Europe to stand against Russia. Earlier, a Russian missile struck the warehouse of an Indian pharmaceutical company in Kyiv amidst the ongoing conflict. The Ukrainian embassy in India had alleged that Russia deliberately targeted the Indian firm. The Indian pharmaceutical company Kusum is one of the largest pharma firms in Ukraine. Now, as per the reports, company claimed that its warehouse was destroyed in a Russian drone strike rather than a missile attack. The firm is responsible for the supply of basic medicines in Ukraine. A post on X by the Ukrainian embassy in New Delhi alleged that a Russian missile targeted the warehouse of Indian pharmaceutical company, despite the claims of having a special friendship with India. Now, it further read that missile destroyed the medicines that were meant for the children and elderly. The development comes a day after Russia launched a barrage of kamikaze drones against Ukraine that led to 3 injuries. The Kyiv city military administration has said that the attack set 3 warehouses on fire. Tracers from air defenses were seen shooting into the sky while smoke drifted over Kyiv during the attack. Ukraine's Air Force said that its air defenses shot down 56 of the 88 drones launched by Russia in an overnight attack across the country. Meanwhile, US is now seeking control of a Ukrainian gas pipeline that carries Russian gas into Europe. According to reports, the request was made during the tense negotiations between the United States and Ukrainian officials. Now, the US-Ukraine negotiations were primarily focused on the previously failed minerals deal between the two countries, where President Donald Trump had demanded a minerals for weapons deal. The fresh demand by the United States administration comes on the back of the meeting between U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff and Russian President Vladimir Putin. Now, after the meeting, Steve Witkoff reportedly conveyed U.S. President Donald Trump's proposal to give Russia ownership of 4 occupied Ukrainian regions to achieve a ceasefire. Trump has also given a new statement saying that talks aimed at ending the war in Ukraine may be okay, but there's a point at which you just have to either put up or shut up.
There are other talks going on. I think Ukraine and Russia might be going, okay, and you're going to be finding out pretty soon. You know, there's a point at which you just have to either put up or shut up, and we'll see what happens. But I think it's going fine.
On the other hand, Ukraine's ecology minister has said that the confinement over Chernobyl's 4th nuclear reactor has partially lost functionality and needs to be restored. A Russian drone had reportedly struck the shelter of the destroyed nuclear unit at the plant on February 14th, causing a fire and leaving a hole in the new safe confinement.